Hello there, Devonshire. This is Gabriel Lamette, your lifestyle director, and I'm really happy to be able to share with you guys the events that we have coming in May. So our first event is going to be our Mother's Day brunch, and it's taking place on May 8th. This is going to be a great opportunity for the mothers to come together. Now, this will be an indoor event, therefore there will only be a capacity of 25 guests for this. So please make sure you register if you haven't already. I think we launched it and a lot of the reservations went quite quickly, so I think there's only a few left. So please go ahead and RSVP for that. If you were not able to RSVP for that indoor social, we're going to have actually a drive-by aspect to it, but that will be registration based as well. So please make sure you go ahead and register for that because supplies will be limited on that amenity as well. Now, the next event that we have coming after that would be our Latte Lovers. That's going to take place on May 14th. This time it will be from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And I don't want to give away all the secret because you'll be hearing some more about this later, but one of our local business owners is the one that's going to be providing our Latte Lovers session for that morning, so you don't want to miss that, so please come on by. The very next day, on May 15th, we have Carter Blood Care. They'll be here from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. You'll be able to find out more information about that event taking place within our newsletter. And please remember, if you do not see your newsletter in your email, please go on the website because we have a catalog of the actual Devonshire downloads that you can see there, and it'll have all of the information that you need for any of our events. Now, the next event that I want to spotlight is going to be something fun that I know the adults will enjoy. We are going to take a load off and we're going to have a great happy hour. This will take place on May 22nd and it'll be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Again, May 22nd, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We will have the registration available for that, so please make sure that you go ahead and RSVP. I want to make sure I got enough for y'all to socialize. So please make sure that you RSVP so I know that you'll be looking to attend this wonderful time for us to come together and just take a load off. Then last but not least for May, we have something that is near and dear to my heart because it's all about movies. On the 28th of May, that's a Friday night, we're going to have Devonshire's Pictures at the Park. Now, this will be a registered event because we're going to be here at the amenity center and we're going to have the nice screen set up and there's going to be a DJ. It's going to be a great experience for the whole entire family. So please make sure that you go ahead and RSVP for this event because this is something that you're definitely not going to want to miss. It's going to be a fantastic, fun time here at Devonshire. Thank you for tuning in for this episode. Bye-bye.